Hello friends, today we're going to work on Dad's BMW. It's a 2009 and it is convertible. Now this vehicle is in pretty rough shape, inside and out. Now I did on my past video work on the bugs and stuff here on the front end, and it's looking much better. I'm also going to put a ceramic spray coating on this car this time. I'm going to use the System X Renew. It was a gift from Jeremy Galvin of Galvin's Detailing when I was in Dallas. So I'm just now getting a chance to give it a try. This review on that product may take me a little while, and the reason why is because I want to see how it does on the paint. This car doesn't get driven all the time, but it does get driven a couple of times a week, at least. So let's take a look at the inside. I'll give you kind of a better look at the outside. The outside is just icky. We had that ridiculous rain that brought all the dirt to the surface. So this is not in the best of shape. This seat, I'm going to work on it a little bit extra because it's starting to wear again right here, and it always wears what he's wearing. And you might be able to see here on the bolster that it's getting kind of darker. So we'll get that taken care of. I usually blow this car out because it gets pretty rough. You can see it's got quite a bit of trash in it. Now let me show you a couple of things. You'll see this, and then you will see the damage right here. That is wheelchair damage. There's not a whole lot we can do about it, but we'll see what we can do. Now I wanted you to see this right here is from the chair. Can't do much about it, but I can usually lighten it up pretty well. Alrighty, friends. So the interior is done. It looks really good. Wow, a freaking police chase. Lovely. Just respect the laws, people. You may not agree with them, but just respect them. You know what I mean? Anyway, this is looking good. As you see, it's pretty clean. It didn't take that much. It didn't have as much trash in it as it did last time either. So, the next thing I'm going to do is going to be on my next video. What I want to do is, I have another bottle. My dad bought another bottle of Meguiar's leather conditioner. If you have not seen that video, you'll have to go look at it. Or you'll have to watch the next video and I'll make sure I link it for you. So, there you go. It's looking good. Everything is cleaned up, back right, ready for the car show. But I got a few more things I gotta do, so I'm gonna save that for the next video. So I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for hanging out on my channel. Smash that subscribe button, and you know how it goes. We'll see you on the next one.